The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is a federation of 7 emirates, each with its own unique history. Here is a brief overview of the history of each emirate. Number 1. Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the largest and wealthiest emirate. Historically, it was a center for the pearl diving industry. The Bani Yas tribe, led by the Al Nahyan family, settled in the area in the 18th century. In the mid-20th century, the discovery of oil transformed Abu Dhabi into a prosperous and modern city. Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, the ruler of Abu Dhabi, played a key role in the formation of the UAE and served as its first president. Number 2. Dubai. Dubai has been a key trading port for centuries due to its strategic location along the Persian Gulf. It was originally settled by the Bani Yas tribe in the early 19th century. Known for its rapid development and innovative projects, Dubai's economy transitioned from oil to tourism, real estate, and finance. Landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and Palm Jumeirah have made it a global city. Number 3. Sharjah. Sharjah has a history that dates back over 5,000 years. It was an important trading center with historical ties to Persia and India. Sharjah is known for its cultural and educational contributions to the UAE. It has numerous museums, art galleries, and cultural institutions. Number 4. Ajman. The smallest of the emirates, Ajman has a history of fishing and trade. It was ruled by the Al Nuaimi tribe from the early 19th century. Ajman has developed industrial and manufacturing sectors while preserving its traditional heritage. Number 5. Al Quwain. Al Quwain has a long history of fishing, boat building, and pearl diving. It was founded by the Al Muwalla tribe in the late 18th century. The emirate is known for its relaxed atmosphere, natural reserves, and archaeological sites. Number 6. Ras Al Khaimah. With a history spanning over 7,000 years, Ras Al Khaimah has been a significant trading hub. It has evidence of ancient civilizations and was known for its maritime prowess. Ras Al Khaimah has diversified its economy, focusing on tourism, real estate, and manufacturing, particularly ceramics. Number 7. Fujairah. Fujairah has a unique history, as it is the only emirate located entirely on the eastern coast along the Gulf of Oman. It was historically part of the Sharjah Emirate until it became independent in the early 20th century. Known for its mountainous terrain and beaches, Fujairah has developed its tourism sector and serves as a key port for shipping and logistics. The UAE was formed on December 2, 1971, when 6 emirates, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Sharjah, Ajman, Al Quwain, and Fujairah, united. Ras Al Khaimah joined in February 1972. The discovery of oil and visionary leadership, particularly by Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, transformed the UAE into a modern, prosperous nation.